A Dirt Devil Cyclone. Power Reach Cyclone. Another curb find. Plug it in and start it up. Motor driven brush bar. Let's have a quick look at it before I plug it in. Let's have a look at it. Look at the amount of hair on that brush bar. Wow. Okay. Here's the canister. And it's got a quick release here. Oh gee. Some stuff in there. Let's try it out. Sure comes spitting out. Look at all of it on the grass. Okay, let's see if there's suction at the hose. Now I can vacuum up all this stuff that came off the brush bar. But looking down there, it looks to be plugged. It looks to be plugged. Way to get this little adapter off here. Okay, right there. See, it's plugged. Because I never tried the brush bar, it just spit it out. So there, that's the culprit why they had it at the curb. The brush bar is completely plugged. Here, I'll fish it out. Let's see what's in there. Candy wrapper. There's still more coming out. This plastic would definitely plug it up. Okay, let's see. Now there's more. Well, the best way is to take it apart. And at the same time, see if look through the hose, see if there's anything plugged, or drop something down the hose. That's what I'll do. Clean the canister. I didn't even look at the filter yet. Have a look. Just turn, there it is. There's the filter. Sort of plugged. And here's the cyclone. Could use a good cleaning. Loosen it up here. Okay, should be able to turn it that way. Lift it off. Looks to be some screws behind this rubber. Rubber ring. Phillips. I've done these screws. This is the last one. Let's see if the red piece will come off the top. Let's see how many screws I've got. I don't know, something's catching right there. Okay. Oh, there it is. Keep these screws separately. And there's the brush bar. Gee. Let's see if it spins properly. Yeah, the bearings are still good in it. The two thin ones go on either end of this plate, here and there. So I'm going to put them back into position so I don't lose track of them. And here's that little switch that knows if the handle's up or down. See, it clicks in there. Take the switch off. Oh yeah, small little screws for there. I'll put them back in. Have to undo this, the rest of the screws, so this whole plate comes off. Now I can lift it out of there. And there. There's the plug stuff too, right there. Right in there. Well, not much to see there. There's a little bit of dust in there. Well, I got myself an X-Acto knife. I'll get this hair out of here. And then when I'm done, I'll use a wire brush to clean that. There. That's what I got off the brush bar. I'm going to take out these few screws and the switch and the board, and then I'm going to wash this black piece. Took the part where the cord comes in. See, now we can just swing it away. And the switch pulls out. And there's a screw there from the board. 2 screws. Don't want to get that wet. 1, 2. And I'll put those screws back in the holes in case they're way different size. We can wash this in the tub of water as well. Wipe it down with a damp cloth, all this. path clean out. Let's see what's in there. So you can see right through it. I'll just wipe it down. I'll give it a quick rinse. This piece you could unscrew it if you wanted to. I'm just going to leave it. Give it a quick rinse. These pieces I'll just wipe with a damp cloth. Like so. But the brush bar, I'll just take the wire brush and clean this, and then I'll wipe it with a damp cloth. Put the switch on. Okay. And we got this little contraption there. Take the two screws off.